your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Moan 3558 EPBL Eco Performance 5-function handheld shower with 30-inch slide bar and 69-inch hose is a top-of-the-line shower system that offers superior performance and durability. This showerhead is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile and functional showerhead that can accommodate their specific showering needs. One of the standouts is its Eco Performance technology. This technology helps conserve water while still providing a powerful and enjoyable shower experience. This feature is particularly important for those who live in areas with water restrictions or who want to reduce their water usage to be more environmentally conscious. Another great feature is its 5 different spray modes. These modes allow you to customize your shower experience and adjust the water pressure and flow to your liking. Whether you want a gentle rain shower or a high-pressure massage, the Moan has you covered. The showerhead comes with a 30-inch slide bar and a 69-inch hose, which gives you plenty of flexibility and range of motion while showering. You can easily adjust the height and angle of the showerhead to accommodate different users or specific showering needs. This is particularly useful for those with mobility issues, who may need to adjust the height of the showerhead to make it more accessible. It's also incredibly durable and built to last. It features a matte black finish that not only looks sleek and stylish, but is also resistant to tarnishing and corrosion. This means that your showerhead will continue to look and perform great for years to come. Installing is also incredibly easy, thanks to its simple and straightforward design. The showerhead comes with everything you need to install it yourself, including the slide bar, hose, and mounting hardware. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and you should be able to install it in just a few hours. This is also very easy to clean and care for. The showerhead has rubber nozzles that prevent mineral buildup and make it easy to remove any debris or buildup. The matte black finish also resists fingerprints and water spots, which means you won't have to spend hours cleaning and polishing it. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-quality and functional showerhead that can accommodate their specific showering needs.